Hello everybody, welcome to this week's art project demonstration. Today we're going to be making a planet garland. To start, you're going to need three things besides your ʻOhana guide. You're going to need a piece of yarn, scissors, and a glue stick. To start, you're going to want to begin by cutting out the dotted line that you see on your ʻOhana guide, then cut out each of the shapes that you see printed here, one for each planet and also the sun. If you notice, each of them has two sides to it, one with some texturing and the other side with the name of the planet and also the sun. What you want to do is you want to cut out the whole entire 8 shape with each of the sides and also try to keep them attached to each other to that black part you see in between them. To keep them together will make it much easier for you to glue it together later. Afterwards, you're going to do the same to the other sheet of paper with the other planets. And once you get them all cut out, you could color them. The coloring could also be done beforehand if you want to. For a reference for the color of the planets, you could refer to the book that you read earlier. You could now begin gluing both sides of the cutout together. Start by turning it over to the blank side and then apply glue over most of the area of the shape, especially in the center so the string sticks to it, and around the edges so that it can close properly. Once you apply glue to all of the shapes, you could begin attaching them to the string. The way you do this is you pick them up gently from the side if there's no glue and you kind of clamp them onto the string and making sure that the black part where they're attached, where the two sides are attached together, is what's touching the string and that the planets are all facing the same way. Also, make sure to press down on your cutout so that both sides of it stick together properly and it's not opening and flapping. And if you need a reference to which order to put the planets in, you could reference the book that you read earlier. Now your project is finally complete, and feel free to hang this up on any wall or anywhere you want. That was all for this week's art project. Hope you guys had a great time and see you all next week.